What's the meaning of away in a manger? Away in a manger. Away in a manger.
Away in a manger. Away in a manger. Away in a Manger is a popular Christmas carol that describes the nativity scene of Jesus Christ. The song speaks of Jesus being laid in a manger, surrounded by animals and visited by shepherds. It conveys a sense of peace and tranquility as the newborn baby sleeps. The lyrics also express gratitude for God's love and protection. Overall, the song captures the essence of the Christmas story, emphasizing the humility and simplicity of Jesus' birth, and highlighting the hope and joy that it brings to humanity.